Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing how you can pay out funds or withdraw funds using the Bot Mobi app from Alice Blue. So the first thing to do is open up your Bot app on your phone. So you can download this Bot app from the Play Store, or you can download if you have a Android phone, and if you have a Apple phone, you can download it from the Apple Store app. Yeah. So once you open the app, you can see that it is asking for the login ID and password. So just type in the login ID and password, which is provided to you by the company. It'll be sent to your email account once you have created and registered with the company and created your DMAT account with Alice Blue. So just type in those and just click the sign in button. So once you type in the sign in button, you can see the main front page giving you a snapshot of the company and your holdings, your how much credit you have and all of those details. Now we're going to show you how you can withdraw funds from this. So go to the menu option in the top left corner. You can see there's a scroll down with lots of menu options. So in this, select the request button. So as you can see, this request button shows you options of withdrawing funds and depositing funds. So select the withdraw funds option. So here you can see that it's asking you the company name and who should be repaid back. So this is your client ID and on what date. So you can select the view punch option. So once you select the view punch option, it'll show you the payment request. So this is showing today's payment request, which will be overwritten. So you can select the exchange, you can mention the exchange, and then you can type in how much money you want to withdraw from your account. And once you have done that, you can select the payment button. And once you click that, you can see that the request of payment has been done and the amount has been mentioned. So here's the group from the segment from which you'll be taking out the money as depending on how many segments you have registered for and how much money you have paid into each of these segments, you can withdraw money from them. So here we have the amount mentioned and at what time you have sent in the request and the date. So it is that simple to withdraw funds from your trading account in Alice Blue based on your segments, and this is how you can do it when you have an account with Alice Blue. So it is that simple. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel.